is growing. It's not falling out. Ooh, it's not falling out. My hair is growing. My hair is growing. Hi, it's Evelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I truly appreciate it. I am so happy that my hair is growing. My hair isn't falling out anymore, and I owe it all to stinging nettle. In this video, I am sharing with you how I prep my scalp for healthy hair growth. It is so important to keep your scalp clean, keep your follicles unclogged of butters, oils, all sorts of products that we tend to put on our hair and on our scalp. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to share with you how I keep my scalp healthy for healthy hair growth. Enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and please leave me a comment. And I'll see you in my next video.